students, welcome to today's lesson on methods of teaching biology. This lesson is on common classroom problems, some problems which are common in the classroom. So the objective of this lesson is to enumerate some common classroom problems. You should be able to enumerate some common classroom problems. Now, every classroom may have its distinctive problem. However, there are some problems that cut across most classrooms. So in this session, we will learn about the common classroom problems we see. Although there are a plethora of problems a teacher may encounter in the classroom, some problems are common. And some of the common classroom problems teachers should be on the outlook for are these ones we are going to discuss. So the first common classroom problem is sleeping in class. Sleeping in class. So with this one, students tend to sleep in class, especially during the first and then the last period. During the first and the last period. Some students will not sleep early but will rather study or converse late into night. So when they come to class, they tend to sleep. And then again, during afternoon lessons, fatigue sets in and this can cause students to sleep. So that is the explanation with the sleeping in class. Now with the next one, which is not paying attention. Teenagers and young adults tend to have relatively shorter attention span. So therefore, they don't pay attention during teaching. So if they are not well engaged in what the teacher is doing, they may switch off and disrupt the class. Okay. So we look at coming to class late. Now, lateness to class could be a common problem at your school. Where you teach, it could be a common problem. Some students may stay at far distances and may get to school late. Other students may wait till the teacher is in class before they come to class. So these are some common classroom problems you would often see when you begin to teach as a staff. The next one is talking during lesson. Some of you are adults, so I think most of the times a student is a student. Sometimes you just have to draw their attention that they should pay attention, they should keep quiet and all that. Some university students, some grown up around 50, and you see them, the word student, I don't know when it is, when you are called such, you are a student. I don't know where the spirit comes from. All students' attributes come and then imbibing in you, like you talk, you don't pay attention, you disrupt class and all that. So it doesn't matter the age of the student. All these things are common in the classroom. Talking during lesson. Students may talk during lesson for various reasons. Some may want to catch up on the latest gossip or may be talking about other students. So with this one, we are saying that some may also be engaged in an unfinished conversation started before the teacher came to class. These are common classroom problems. And we also look at disapproving groans and comment. Disapproving groans and comment. Some students will pass funny comment just to disrupt the class. And others may make sounds and speak under tone when they are not in agreement with something that happened in class. So these are some problems you would often see. And also you see using cell phones during class. Some students will be using cell phones. As I'm teaching you, some of you might be using cell phones. Your attention might be somewhere. You might be talking to someone. All these things are common classroom problems you would encounter. So using cell phones during class. In the era of technology advancement, most students have cell phones, although it is not allowed to be used in schools, especially in the secondary schools. Some students still manage to sneak in their cell phones to class. And also, students may then be showing images and videos to colleagues whilst lessons are ongoing. These are common at the university. They'll be TikToking, Facebooking, Twittering, and all that. Fighting, fighting, fighting. Some students may fight in class, others may also use abusive language and verbally assault their colleagues. So these are common classroom problems most of the times you see in class whilst you're teaching. Okay, so we've discussed about common classroom problems. We've talked a lot about some of these problems. So in reviewing what we've learned so far, I want you students to answer these questions. First one is enumerate 6 common classroom problems and then discuss 3 common classroom problems.